So many of you have asked me, June, what topper are you wearing? It is my duty to share it with you. This, my sweetheart, is the InvisaBlend topper. Look at this, you guys. I mean, look closely. Can we do it again? Can we do it again? What? Thankfully, I have another piece to show you. So this is the InvisaBlend topper, and it is virtually undetectable. It is weightless, and best of all, it keeps your existing hair healthy. Isn't that what we want? We don't want to lose the hair we got. So if you want to know more about this, but wait, before I even tell you that, every piece of hair, every strand of hair is put on a micro strand, and that's what makes it look virtually undetectable. Comes in so many different sizes, colors, textures. Mine matched mine perfectly. So go to my channel, click on the link in my bio, and then click on the little banner that says InvisaBlend hair topper, and scroll down and get yourself a live virtual consultation. It's free. Why wouldn't you do it? And learn more about the InvisaBlend. I thought it looked so pretty. I mean, can we look at this again? Oh, baby, I am feeling myself.